Hi everyone! In this short video, one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new Infiniti key fob. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all Infiniti key fobs and transponder keys. Before we start, we would really appreciate if you can like this video, and of course, if you need any help, you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you.
Hello everybody, we are working on a 2014 Infiniti QX80. We are programming the customer a new remote key. It's a push to start ignition, as you can see. Our machine is hooked up to the customer's OBD. It talks to the computer. Remote control learning, smart key learning. Hazards are on. Got to turn the ignition to the on position. Turn it off, and then using the logo of the key, we are going to press it up against the push to start, and we got the security light blinking, letting us know it recognized the key. Okay, I'm going to turn it off and do the same thing. Security light is off, and we are complete. Buttons work, car starts. We are good to go.
That's it! I hope you like this video and would really appreciate if you can give us the thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching.